it's Miss Jordan from Children's Museum Tucson, and today we are going to make a volcano. We are going to use a little bit of foil, a few of our Dixie cups, a little bit of baking soda, a splash of vinegar, and a small squeeze of dish soap. So to get started, I am going to be doing my volcano on a cookie sheet because it will get a little bit messy. I recommend using your tablecloth. And now I'm going to begin taping my cups together using a little bit of my masking tape so that they don't move. So I'm just going to tape them down. And we're going to kind of build our cups into a mountain, just like the normal shape of a volcano. Alright. So all of my cups will go face down except for one, and that will go right side up so that we can pour our vinegar, baking soda, and dish soap into it. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of my foil and I am just going to start wrapping it around my cups. There we go. You know, it may not look perfect, and that is okay. There's my volcano to start. Now, I am going to put in a pinch of baking soda, a squeeze of soap so that it's nice and foamy, and then a little bit of vinegar. And now the vinegar always goes in last. And there you have it, friends. If you want your lava to look red, I recommend squeezing in some red food coloring, or you can have whatever color lava you want by adding the food color of your choice. So there we go, friends. We just made a volcano.